For California. Sorry, I was just happy. I am so excited. I'm so done with school. I needed the spring break, and the cherry on top is that I'm going to California for spring break. I have to fit all my belongings in this one backpack. Can you, as a girl, do you realize how difficult that is? I stuffed 5 days worth of clothing in this bag. Okay, this is Arushi. Yes, and she was eating, but now she's not ever since she found out allowed nahi hai.
La próxima parada es la estación Mercantil Center, donde puede conectarse con la ruta de autobús. मेरा मूड बहुत सैड था, so मैंने अभी तक ब्लॉग स्टार्ट नहीं किया था.
Two Beds is going on the vlog now. This is Ali. मेरा उठने लगी हो.
चलाओ चलाओ.
आज मेरा मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं.
पीछे आंटी को देखा तो.
Oh. Go ahead.
Go for it. Bye. हम तो चले गए.
Bye. ज़ैनब को यही छोड़ देते हैं. ज़ैनब को यही छोड़ देते हैं. हम लोग जा रहे हैं कैलिफोर्निया. Bye. Yeah. I'll press the button. अच्छी आ रही लोग ड्रेस.
मेरे को उठा के अपनी चोट में मारा है.
So we're on our way. अभी मैं शटल लेनी है. मैं ट्रॉमेटाइज हो गई ऑलरेडी. मैं इतनी खुश हो गई थी, मुझे था मैं एयरपोर्ट पहुंच गई, बट अभी मैं शटल लेनी है to actually go. And life is hitting hard. We have to get one of these, but this is terminal A and C, and we actually have to go to terminal A. This is so funny, Zainab's foot. We have made it to the airport, and Rushi has a very important job right now.
मुझे देख रहे हैं.
और Rushi को.
और मेरे को भी फ्री में क्योंकि मैं ये पकड़ के चल रही हूँ.
I'll give you guys backstory of why we are coming to California with Zainab in this condition. मैं गिर गई थी अपने स्कूटर से, मेरी टांग से टूटी है. ओके, लाइक मेरा एंकल. तो मैं बिल्कुल अपने पाँव पे वजन भी नहीं डाल सकती, मैं खड़ी भी नहीं हो सकती, मैं चल भी नहीं सकती, मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर सकती. मैं सिर्फ लिटरली व्हील चेयर पे हूँ. ठीक है, बट और मेरे घर वाले मुझे जूते मारेंगे, मैंने अपने बाबा को बताया ही नहीं है. मामा को मैंने कल रात को बताया कि मैं सुबह जा रही हूँ. पप्पू को पता है, बट लाइक मेनली पीपल विल किल मी अगर उनको पता चल जाए कि मैं इस हालत में जा रही हूँ. बिकॉज मैं अपने बाथरूम भी नहीं जा सकती खुद, और मैं कैलिफोर्निया जा रही हूँ. ठीक है, बिकॉज ये मेरी स्प्रिंग ब्रेक का ट्रिप है. हमने 2 महीने पहले सब कुछ बुक किया था. एवरीथिंग नॉन रिफंडेबल, होटल सब बुकड है. तो अब हमें जाना ही जाना है, कुछ भी हो जाए. तो हम जा रहे हैं टूटी हुई टांग के साथ. नहीं रुकनी चाहिए. We don't play when it comes to traveling. We don't be playing. When we have to travel, we will be traveling. We found a place to sit. I'm ready to be sleeping. Toss to taster. Zainab के लंगड़े होने का एक फ़ायदा हुआ कि हम लोग को priority TS से मिल गया. So we got done in like 10 minutes maximum, actually, stretching it. This is Zainab's new setup. How does it? How is it compared to the last one?
मेरी टांग तो बिल्कुल 90 डिग्री पे. बिकॉज द प्रॉब्लम इज आई कैन नॉट हैव ब्लड गोइंग इन दैट फुट. तो जैसे ही जाते हैं मुझे बहुत दर्द और जलन होती है. तो एज लॉन्ग एज इट्स लाइक दिस, ब्लड नीचे ही है. तो नाउ आई एम फीलिंग बेटर.
Very nice.
एंड हमारी सबसे पहले बोर्डिंग होगी, तो मैं इसलिए एक्साइटेड हूँ.
Oh yes, today we're getting everything first.
या
That's good. Okay. Oh, also I broke my nail because
लो मैं दे दूँ.
because I was trying to put on my shoe really jaldi, and now Zainab's giving me a nail cutter so I can cut it. Ali, how are you feeling?
How do I feel?
Yeah. Good. Rishi, what about you? How are we feeling?
As alive as I can be at 3 a.m.
I love that. Now I'm gonna go sleep too. We have our boarding passes. To vlog that we have made it past boarding, and Zainab went ahead because she had the wheelchair. Anyways,
I thought it was me.
क्या कहता? Don't you have a wheelchair? सोचो इसकी wheelchair किधर गई?
मैं चल रही फिर भी नीचे देख रील चेक
रुचि भी कंफ्यूज होगी मेरी व्हीलचेयर के दर्द. We've made it. We're in the plane.
ये तो फर्स्ट पार्ट है. हाँ रोशनी.
Ready to read and go to sleep. So we have landed at LAX. Never thought I'd say the words. It's giving hopped off the plane at LAX with a dream in my cardigan. Except I'm not wearing a cardigan. But still. Also, I'm breaking out like crazy, like. But it's okay. We move. Ali, how are you feeling?
Doing good. Better than last night.
Yeah. Anyways, let's talk to Zainab. This is Zainab currently. I don't know what she's doing.
PIA की फ्लाइट जो है वो लाहौर में बगैर व्हील के लैंड हुई है.
Oh.
When they took off, it was there, but when they landed, it wasn't.
जो हम अभी करके आए हैं, हम अभी जिस एयरलाइन से ट्रैवल करके आए हैं वो पाकिस्तान की PIA है.
I would rather sit in Spirit than PIA.
I was asking how was your trip? How was your flight? Zainab was the most. If I had to rank people who were traumatized, number one would be Zainab. Then Ali and Rushi would be a tie, and then me because I slept like all the time.
There were people sitting with them that were too annoying and kept waking them up. And Khadija was sleeping like this.
I do not sleep like
She has
that.
an angry face and she sleeps.
Whatever. Rushi, how are you feeling with your stick? Extra support. We have made it inside the shuttle. The shuttle is gonna take us to the car rental place. And I'm sitting with Rushi. And Zainab's sitting over there because she can't get up these steps. We finally have the car. We're choosing it now. Apparently, like they give you a selection, like you get to choose. There were like a billion problems in getting it. Or barish na shuru ho gayi hai. But yeah, my bottle keeps like doing this and it's annoying me. But anyways, I'll tell you guys which car we chose. We're finally in the car and we're warm. And life is better again. After like 1 million hurdles, we've made it. We stopped at Target because I wanted to get makeup removing wipes because I didn't bring them with me. So that's the only update I have for now.
I'm literally writing my paper right now. मेरा midterm due है आज.
And she's doing it right now, 10-page midterm paper. We're trying to pay for parking using the meter and we've never done it before. So
1 घंटे के लिए करना है. कितने घंटे के लिए करना है?
I think let's do one. No, but 1 घंटे ज़्यादा लग जाएगा.
लग जाएगा. 2 कर लेते हैं.
2 कर लेते हैं यहाँ.
ये निकली है भाई.
ये भी चिपकने वाली सैंड है.
जैसे भी लोग डेड बॉडी है.
I was still over there because she couldn't come here because it wasn't wheelchair accessible, so we decided to explore it for her. Wait, Ali, this is scary. I'm sitting here on this rock and just enjoying the views. Oh my god, it's actually so cute. Wait, wow, okay. हम अपने बेड की अनबॉक्सिंग कर रहे हैं to take a fat nap. As always, I dropped curry on this. Do you remember I dropped it in New York as well and you had to clean it for me?
I remember.
We're on a Target spree and Rushi is driving this car.
It's a rickshaw.
Oh, you're right. इतनी पता नहीं टूटी इसमें से पता नहीं क्या एक इसका व्हील चल नहीं रहा मुड़ नहीं रही है. Target needs to do better. What is this? Trying to watch the sunrise and
Sunrise हम वहाँ देखने जा रहे हैं.
ये पता नहीं आगे हमें ऑब्जर्व कर रहा है.
But sunrise वो उधर रहा है.
ज़ैनब ब्लॉग कर रही है.
So I don't
पता नहीं सनराइज किधर हो रहा है.
लग रहा है guys.
But I agree. Ali, how does it feel traveling with 3 girls? Right. He's lying. Chose the wrong side for the beach because sunrise literally उस side से हो रहा है and we're over there. Wait, we finally brought Zainab here and wait, ये sock लटकी हुई. हमने यहाँ पे literally सामान बिछाया. We were like, oh, this is far enough away. And then the पानी came here और हमारी सारी चीजें गीली हो गई.
Shit hit the fan.
Yes, it
Very
did.
fast.
मैंने सबसे पहले मेरा Kindle गीला हो गया ज़ैनब का कैमरा बचाते हुए जाता है.
ये भी आया उस पानी के साथ.
Oh my god, wait, that's so cool. हमारे toes ना बिखरना शुरू हो जाए. Arushi is taking pictures of Zainab in her wheelchair moment. I love the beach, but I will forever be a mountain person. Like, no matter how much I'm enjoying this right now, nothing beats the mountains. Oh shit! It's okay, पीछे आई नहीं.
Fall down here. You fall down.
Suddenly fell in the water and so now my entire jeans are wet. Like, not just how much they were before, but no, let me show you. Like, literally सारी मेरी jeans गीली हो गई हैं. We'll drop Zainab to the car while I take care of her stuff and Zainab's wheelchair, and then we'll take all our things back. Okay. चप्पल भी धुल जाए. Hi guys, we're going to Balboa Park with Zainab's foot. Dogs are out right now. Honestly, पाकिस्तान के पार्क जैसा लग रहा है. वहाँ भी ऐसे ही होते हैं. Free museum because we're on a budget, so we're gonna go in here and look at art. We're at the Lily Pond and this is beautiful. There's literally someone playing live music. What? ये जगह इतनी क्राउडेड है कि मुझे ना मसला हो रहा है थोड़ा सा. ये क्या एंगल है? We probably just went through the most traumatic experience ever. How do you guys feel? I'm exhausted. My foot is dead. Why are you showing my dog? Ali, what about you?
ये कैमरे को देखिए एनर्जी कहाँ से आती है?
वरना ये इतनी सड़ी होती है.
हाँ.
I am
मर
not.
रही है रोज़
क्या?
से.
तो अभी मर रही मैंने अभी बताया है.
ये इसकी एनर्जी हमारे साथ इस्तेमाल करते
You guys are going to get me cancelled for being fake. They're lying. So we are finally at La Jolla. और इसको पहले La Jolla कह रहे थे. But we found out it's La Jolla. Anyways, we're gonna go see sea lions. We're enjoying the views here. This is absolutely beautiful. So this is day 3 of our California. Yeah?
Cats and dogs out.
Anyways, the cats are out today. We have a different sock sitting next to us today. And we're going to Los Angeles now. We're saying bye to San Diego. And we're gonna talk to everyone now. Hi.
हम और क्या करें?
कुछ बताओ.
Hi guys. अली हमें जिंदा रहना है.
कुछ बताओ.
हम लॉस एंजलिस तो जा रहे हैं, पता नहीं अल्लाह के वास्ते वो चल.
लॉस एंजल्स तो नहीं जा रहा.
अच्छा खैर, हम बस बातें कर रहे हैं, हम फन कर रहे हैं.
It is very sunny out today. I hope it doesn't rain.
अली फोरकास्ट बता रहा है.
Weather channel. I tried this new scarf style today with a silk scarf and I'm scared it's gonna fall off my head. So I put these 2 pins. But anyway. Next carpool karaoke song. This song gives me trauma.
लड़की हुई हमारी ओके बाय पार्टी ऑल नाइट कहाँ तू नहीं है in the sand sound like a pearl upon the
trying to find baraf spots.
We are trying to find pahad.
We are on a pahad. We saw this one pahad and we were just like, you know what? Let's go there and over here. Look, snow. I think किसी ने snowman बनाने की कोशिश की होगी. Views are actually insane. Oh my god. Light is lighting. Guys, I think I want to stay here. Like, what? Everything is good. So I'm literally just here doing this. Playing with leftover snow with my foot. What else am I supposed to do? Some good pictures because like this is a new scarf style that I tried. And I fear it's a little bit of a failure, but it's okay. We'll learn as we go. And I did my makeup and I haven't done it yet on the trip, so I put an effort and my outfit is cute, so I want to get pictures. Finished getting pictures and I'm semi happy with mine, but then again I'm never happy with mine anyway, so it's okay. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Anyways, ab garmiyan ho chuki, so we're probably gonna start heading back.
Vlog now.
We have all replenished our energies, especially Rushi. She just added some onto her. I don't know what's going on. But yeah.
I think I just needed a place that was clean and I needed coffee. And I got both. So I'm really happy.
Yeah, we could tell for the past 10, like, actually not even 10, for the past 30 minutes, Rushi's been on like 10,000 energy levels. And this is Zainab wheeling herself
I know there's
off.
so much space to play with.
Yeah. And Ali is currently going through his non-verbal phase because no one knows why, but he does it. It's his thing. I think when he eats.
Because of you?
What do you mean because of me? मैंने क्या किया है? ये मेरी बात है, ऋषि ने कहा था. Where are you looking at?
Well, great news. Unplugged
I'm on
performances.
my iPad kid.
Now we're gonna go have food and then we're gonna go to this lake where we're gonna rent a boat, and Zainab is loving her independence in this room where she can actually go without asking anyone.
मुंह धोने के लिए मुझे भीख मांगनी पड़ती थी.
These beds are bigger than the, I don't know, looks like it.
These are not twin beds. These are two queen beds.
Ah.
Whatever bed this is.
Now maybe Rushi won't jump on me when I'm sleeping.
Sounds so wrong, guys.
Actually, you're right. Maybe then Rushi won't roll over to my side when we're sleeping. I feel so protected in this.
Me too. I feel like
We're gonna do boating. The lake looks really pretty at night, actually.
I love the fact that everything has been to this
फिर जा रहे हैं हम उस तरफ.
अब उधर ही मुड़ रहा हूँ, उधर गाड़ी है, मैं क्या करूँ, उसमें खा दूँ.
I beg y'all.
Feeling? बारिश कितनी ज्यादा हो रही है इस वक्त? According to Rushi. इतनी ठंड लग रही है मुझे. Show your bracelets. See video. Oh my god, lighting. Oh, cute. Wait, Rishi, come here in the lighting, Rishi.
Oh my god, this is actually really
We're at CBTO and everyone's gonna get coffee. Rishi didn't want coffee. She came here for another reason that was not met.
I wanted to pee.
Iftari. I'm doing iftari, but everyone else is also here. Not everyone else. Actually, it's just a Rishi. Rishi's having chipotle and I'm having this like urban skillet burger. Lighting kitni pyari aa rahi hai. It's like halal burger.
Yeah, guys,
Near
you want
us.
to look at my...
Oh my god, yes, Rishi shows the chipotle. Very nice, yes. Zainab went outside because she wanted to
Because
see.
they're crackheads.
She wanted to
only
see the
matti.
water, but पहले में पानी नजर नहीं आ रहा, ना सूरज नजर आ रहा, और सिर्फ मट्टी उड़ रही है, but वो बाहर
she
मट्टी में
wanted to see the sunset. The sun has set behind the clouds. And there is no sun outside. उसके अलावा, we are on a beach and it's हवा.
इतनी हवा चल रही है और इतनी मट्टी उड़ रही
गले
है.
में लग रही है. And I don't know how she's eating outside, but
I know. बढ़िया. The silence because of the food. So everyone just woke up. It's like 5 a.m. 6 a.m. And I told Zena that we should go to sleep, but then she was like, "Nahi,
She was
uthate."
trying to trap me into making me go to sleep and telling them all that we tried to wake you and you didn't wake up ताकि हम आज के plan की चीजें miss करा दें. I am not going to let that happen. So we're leaving.
I actually played like she was in bed, the lights were off, and then she changed her mind last minute. Badtameez.
ये बदला when you used to do that to me बचपन में.
Do what? I was the same.
मैं कुछ बताऊंगी. मामा आपा ये कर रही थी.
Yeah, because why were you doing it?
Youngest sibling ever.
I know, right?
Well, I once told you I had a crush when I was in 3rd grade, and you told Mama about my crush.
I don't know about-
Yeah.
Shut up, you're not that
Yes, you did. You told her because she told me.
Why was mama snitching on me?
I don't know.
कह रही है मेरे इसको किसी बंदे पे क्रश था क्लास 3 में. मैंने मामा को जाके बता दिया और मामा ने इसको बता दिया कि मैंने इनको बताया. Why would she tell her?
She's like, no, please.
We're waiting on Ali to be done with showering because it's like 2 rooms in 1 bathroom. So until then, I think we should all take a nap. It's not.
उठ के बच्चा को सो जाता है. He's like, ये सोने नहीं देती थी तो मैं अंदर जाके सो जाता हूँ.
It's not 3 girls on this trip. It's 4. Because Ali takes twice as long as us to get ready. उसका shower कोई 20 hours का होता है. Actually, yesterday he took 2 hours in the bathroom. Like actual 2 hours. Like on the clock 2 hours.
I woke up at like 10:30 और मैं डॉट 11 बजे शैम्पू करके बाहर खड़ी थी इतने लंबे बालों के साथ. और उसके बाद अगले 2 घंटे तक अली बाथरूम में पता नहीं क्या कर रहा था.
Like, what do you have to, as a man, what do you have to do to get ready? Not. क्या कहना था? I don't understand.
बाल इतने नहीं, 4 तो बाल है.
4 बालों के तभी 2 घंटे लगते हैं.
लिटरली मैं मेरे डैड और मेरे भाई को भी यही बोलती हूँ, इतना टाइम लगता है भाई. 4 तो बाल है सिर पे, उस पे क्या शैम्पू.
और कपड़े भी कोई ऐसे नहीं जो इतने मुश्किल हो गए. वो ब्लैक ब्लैक. हाँ,
टी शर्ट कलर कॉम्बिनेशन में पहन लो.
मेरे हाथ में है भी नहीं वो.
ये चेकआउट होने की कोशिश हो रही है. We're checking out. Bye.
हो गया चेकआउट, चलो.
Wait, यालीन. ये एक तो लकड़ियाँ जो है ना. It's our last day in California, and we're at
I guess this is Malibu.
सुबह से हम लोग इतना हंस रहे हैं कि हमें बाथरूम आ गया है. I promised myself that I was not gonna go in the water today because my outfit was too cute. But as soon as we stopped here, I looked at the water and I was like, I'm taking out my flip flops. I have to go in this water. I have to go. Hi guys, we're in the water. The lighting is lighting, and I'm gonna try to take pictures. This exact place is where One Direction's music video "What Makes You Beautiful" was filmed, and I am fangirling. Rushi हमें guide कर रही है. This is actually so cool. I like, all jokes aside, I love looking at art. This is insane. Yeah. We're at the Walk of Fame and we found Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Ali and Muhammad Ali.
Ali and Ali.
We are on a race against time. We have to get there to watch the sunset, which is over there. As always, yes. आगे इतना rush है कि अल्लाह को पता है हम पहुंचेंगे या नहीं. हमारी एक तो बहुत, हम कभी सनसेट नहीं देख पाए पिछले 3 दिनों में.
तो हम पहुंचते अगर हम यहाँ पार्क करें, आधा माइल है, मतलब 1.5 किलोमीटर यहाँ से रास्ता. अगर हम यहाँ भी पार्क करें तो हम नहीं पहुंच पाते.
Okay guys, this is going to be the final clip in this vlog because we have boarded the plane to go back to Fort Worth. The trip has come to an end, sadly. What are your thoughts on the trip?
It was fun. It was very chaotic. I'm glad I took the trip, but I'm also glad that it's over because I am missing my bed and my dorm and I need to go to sleep.
Real. I agree. I literally can't wait to be in my bed now. Zainab is getting VIP treatment on this flight. Shut up.
This is मेरी पूरी
Anyways, thank you for watching this very chaotic.
हमें प्री बोर्डिंग मेरी वजह से क्योंकि मैं गिर गई थी इसलिए
Anyways, thank you for watching. Bye.
प्रॉब्लम लगे
Bye.